Welcome to a new video. Listen, repeat, and speak. Good conversation starters. What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite music genre? What's your favorite music genre? What's your favorite music band? What's your favorite music band? What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Where did you go on vacations last year? Where did you go on vacations last year? Do you like to cook or bake? Do you like to cook or bake? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Are you a morning person or night person? Are you a morning person or night person? How do you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee? Do you prefer tea or soda? Do you prefer tea or soda? What's the best concert you have ever been to? What's the best concert you have ever been to? Who is your role model? Who is your role model? What's your favorite quote? What's your favorite quote? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite flower? What's your favorite flower? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? What's the best gift you have ever received? What's the best gift you have ever received? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Do you have any pet? Do you have any pet? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? Are you married or single? Are you married or single? Do you have any kids? Do you have any kids? How many kids do you have and what are their ages? How many kids do you have and what are their ages? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite team? What's your favorite team? What's your favorite player? What's your favorite player? What kind of pets do you have? What kind of pets do you have? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? What's your favorite style of clothing? What's your favorite style of clothing? What's your favorite store? What's your favorite store? What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's the best vacation you have ever been on? What's the best vacation you have ever been on? Where would you like to go on vacation that you haven't been to yet? Where would you like to go on vacation that you haven't been to yet? What's your favorite activity? What's your favorite activity? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song? What's the best book you have ever read? What's the best book you have ever read? Who is your favorite author? Who is your favorite author? What book are you reading now? What book are you reading now? Which season would you like, summer or winter? Which season would you like, summer or winter? Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like coffee or tea? Would you like pizza or tacos? Would you like pizza or tacos? Would you rather go for camping or stay in a hotel? Would you rather go for camping or stay in a hotel? Would you rather visit the beach or the mountains? Would you rather visit the beach or the mountains? Are you an outgoing person or a homebody? Are you an outgoing person or a homebody? Are you a dog person or a cat person or neither? Are you a dog person or a cat person or neither? Are you in a college or university? Are you in a college or university? Is it better to give or receive gifts? Is it better to give or receive gifts? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Which one would you like, Facebook or Twitter? Which one would you like, Facebook or Twitter? Which one would you like, Apple or Android? Which one would you like, Apple or Android? Which food would you like, spicy or not spicy? Which food would you like, spicy or not spicy? What are you doing nowadays? What are you doing nowadays? To watch more videos, subscribe now my channel Daily English.